Yo, what I guys, we're back here for another episode of Chainsaw Man. Today we got season 1, episode 12, Katana versus Chainsaw. So we get the big rebattle, we're gonna get it back because he kind of sucker punched that what we knew his move, but Denji didn't. So he got surprised and he's like, oh damn. Before he knew it, he was already dead. But now he's like, okay, well, I'm not gonna let him post up in that position to one tap. Alright, so now we're good. Last episode though, we let it off for Aki almost dying by the ghost devil. Yes, you heard me, the ghost devil. The one that betrayed us, left us out to die, and let us all cry. She's working with the little girl from, I don't even know, the assassin little girl. She has to be an assassin or something, a terrorist at this point. She posted up in the building. She's trying to lure everybody there to get Denji. All of Division 4 know, a bunch of cops, the whole goddamn interstate know that you're in this building. Like, how strong do you honestly think you are? And then the fact that you're like, oh, we're gonna get over Denji's heart. Well, let's see. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, that's me, and let's go. They love reminding me. I hate you guys. Making sure there's nothing in my eye. I know you guys aren't gonna believe me, so it doesn't even matter at this point. Underage. Thank you. You're so nice. The ghost that will let go? Yeah, it's gonna be the SIG. Huh? Give me an easy revenge. Ghost, you're gonna turn on them? Should've been working with us since the beginning, but I guess you were infiltrating. The ghost that was getting you scared enough for it to see that? Oh, the pose. That. Whoa. Aki, don't talk like that, man. We had the same exact face. What is going on? Obi, you're quick. Damn. After what she did, I would kill her. I wouldn't even kill her. I would torture her. You're right, Aki. Let her live. Obi, just retire, man. I'll send you money. You don't need to do this job no more. Oh god, why? How many zombies these guys have? There has to have been like a bundle deal or something. Oh, you left this guy. She said she trusted you. Trust is a big thing for her. Alright, he's not here. Hell no, bro. You killed him, literally. Don't listen to him. You never listen to a villain. Remember what the guy told you? Never trust the... Was it Prey? They feel bad about ripping him apart? They ripped him apart and threw him in the dumpster. They didn't leave him there. They threw him in the dumpster, bro. Oh, you're turning yourself in, man. Thank you, Denji. Can you turn now? That's what I'm saying. Finally some action here. Guy said, let's talk. Let's talk with our fist. Oh. That training paid off for sure. Look at him. You guys still so high up. Damn. Ooh, every like good show has a train scene. I think it's like mandatory if you want your thing to be 10 out of 10. They feed him good. They house him decent. No transportation though. Wait, so is he exactly the same as Denji? Like, is he immortal too? And you guys a new move you came up with, or? I would be crying if I saw that. Ma'am, can you get out of here? Oh, he's posted up. Nah. At least she survived. Bro, you're spamming. You really think you're that good? Can we back? That's what I'm saying. Guy's a coward. Nah, at this point, I think I'm flaming your granddad. Oh, that old man? The one I killed? The one I buried? That move again? Do you not get tired of that one move? What the? You think it's over? He still has... I honestly don't know what else you have left. I'm so lost. That's pretty cool. But how the hell was he talking and didn't notice he was split in half? Like, he was talking for at least good 5 seconds. He had a whole little monologue. What do you say, man? What I'm saying. If you want to look at it like that, sure. I was gonna say friend, but... Almost are just confused all around, aren't we? This went a lot better than I thought, man. These guys got captured quick. Maybe you don't tell them where you're at. Maybe the secret attack is the best option. Man, we should let him go scot-free, bro. At least get like a right hook in. This man, it's like one look and he's like, you know what? Nah, let's start kicking him. They actually gave us a happy ending. Well, at least for this episode, like nobody died. Kayaking having way too much fun. Contract. Ah, I didn't even think about that. The Gundam can have contracts with other people. Of course. That'd be with Kobe. Just trying to have a normal time.
1.4 キロ押収。我々公安が持っている5キロの肉片と合わせた結果、ついに肉片が本体に向かって動きました。
So that me. No, this is sounding like a end of the season. No, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. I can't wait a year. Mappa, I know you guys are animating 5 different shows, and you're literally haven't seen your family in 5 years. I need you to do double overtime. I'm sorry. I'm selfish. I understand. I don't deserve you. I understand. And I'll pay for it after death. But please, we can't be doing this. How could they do this to us? Aki, clean sweep. Obviously, Ghost was working with us. I guess it was an inside job, and I appreciate them for giving up their life. Or I don't even know if they died. I don't know what the whole point of that was, because I thought devils couldn't die. I'm a little bit lost on that part. But also the girl, she just killed herself. Yeah. Well, not really. The Gunda, I guess the contract, because she broke the contract with the Gun Devil. Why didn't it happen instantly when she got captured? Why did they give her a frame like time to be like, oh, I'm gonna die soon? Just do it instantly, because she could have had time to snitch. I'm just saying a flaw in plan there. Could have been better executed. Kobe, speaking of Julie, is like maxed out. Like, oh my, she's better than I thought. Again, though, we need to find her a therapist. It's not cool. We're just letting her keep mentally going downhill. What is this? Is this guy gonna? Is he gonna smoke the cig? Is he gonna? Why did he put the stand down? What is his dream? Oh, the homie? I think about it, we haven't even heard him in years. Why not? They're just trying to throw mystery in it. Now I'm confused. Now I'm asking questions. Now I'm not gonna get the answer to these questions.
デンジ君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい?
Don't end it like what does that even mean, bro? Manga readers are like, oh, let's do it, let's go. It's like, I'm like, huh? What? Door? Cool. What's next? I don't even know. I'm not even gonna make any guesses because I have like no actual context clues, or I missed all the context clues, so I have no idea what that's all about. Maybe his mom, because his dad killed himself, but they never really talked about his mom, so I'm just assuming maybe his mom. I don't even know, to be honest. Let's go back to him. Stop showing us. We know she's that, man. I know we had to do this because Aki had to like get his revenge, get over it real quick. Next season or the next set, even if there's one more episode, I don't think so. Don't just let it go, man. Please. Y'all keep reminding me. Like, damn, man. I'm glad we got our revenge though. Huh. It seems like he is kind of immortal, so it's like, damn, he's gonna really live forever in a prison cell. So it sucks to be him. He's gonna wish he died. But I'm glad we gotta, kick his balls for a couple. I'm gonna knowing them at least a cool 30 minutes for doing that, and that's honestly kind of respectable. I love the show with Angel. They obviously showed it to just highlight how beasts they are. They didn't even talk. It was just amazing. I had the wings with the birds flying. Stop playing. Come on now. A little bit. Still have questions on Ghost. Are they dead? Why couldn't they make a contract with Aki? Because they know Aki. They know what he's trying to do, what he stands for. Ghost is probably trying to get out the business. This job is too stressful. Oh, this is too much. Like, Hopi, get out the business, man. You said you had a bunch of sisters, man. Why are they not contributing? There's no way. What college are you sending your brother to? He has to have all his sisters work, and the mother and father. Oh, is he getting accepted to Harvard? And then after Harvard, he's gonna go to Kingston? Come on, man. This guy. If he ever complained in life, like if he's like, man, I would this or this, or I don't know, in some way, I'm jumping into the show and fighting him. There's no way that they're sacrificing too much for him. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to something. I'll catch you guys next time for another video. Peace, bye. Have a great one, guys.